when you connect with the understanding of what it is, what community you are, when you understand that. I'm not trying to raise the expectations of what's going to happen in the class. Everybody experiences his own experience based on your life, your karma, what you are meant to experience at a particular time. So I tried to seek spirituality my whole life. From the time I was 13, I was searching. I paid my own money which I earned to do a spiritual course. But till the age of 42, I didn't find anything. I kept trying this, I kept trying that. I went to Ananda, I went to this. Nothing happened. But at 42, my whole life changed. I found what I was looking for now. Because that was the time when it was meant for me to happen. So everybody has a time. Everybody has a karmic time. If this is your time now, it will happen. If it is not your time, at least what will happen is the seed, it's called the Bijay. The beach of the reality of what life is. What I'm going to do today is called the soul detox. At least the beach of that seed of that reality will be planted in your hand. And whenever the time comes for it to germinate, to become a tree, to become a flower, and to blossom, it will happen. Today's class is called the soul detox, the blossoming of the lotus. So first of all, I'll just explain to you what the soul detox is. Every time you go through pain in your life, every time you go through any kind of trauma, emotional trauma, any kind of stress, any kind of anxiety, loss, some friend stabbing you in the back, somebody hurting you, all of those painful experiences are like a scar, like a knife which goes through your aura. Where your aura keeps getting broken and broken, and that's what's happened to your soul. Every soul needs to be repaired so that the aura becomes whole again. So the one thing you need to do is first of all repair your aura and then expand it, because your consciousness wants to continue to expand. That's the nature of your consciousness. You need to keep growing, you need to keep expanding. Which is why I don't tell my daughter, you should do this, you should do that, you should study, you should do that, because her consciousness wants to expand, wants to grow. She's growing, she's blossoming into a lotus. And why lotus? Why do I say blossoming of a lotus? Why not a rose? Because a lotus is like us. We're surrounded by shit all around. There's the invasion of Russia, there's Syria, there's the politicians, and all the vaccinations that you're supposed to take are stupid. You know, all the bad things that are happening to us, it's like we are surrounded by muck. And yet, it is possible. In that muck, beautiful, perfect. It's not perfect. Have you seen the lotus? Everybody's seen a beautiful lotus in the pond. You have seen a lotus flower? You have. It's in that muck, in that swamp, in that dirty water. It's so beautiful. It's one of the most in religion, in Hindu. It is actually the number one most religious sacred flower in the whole Hindu system. Brahma, the creator of this whole universe, he sits on the moon. So that's how important the lotus is for us. But for us to be lotus in this world, we need to understand that the shit is going to keep happening all around us. The bad things are going to keep happening around us. We need to change. Our perception of our reality needs to change, and the way we react to that shit needs to change.